Welcome to Turks Who Eat. We're Alex and Mehmet, a couple who loves to travel and eat. We also bring our dog, Bindi, along with us for as many adventures as possible. We love traveling, and eating local foods tends to be the highlight of our travels. We love to discover the local dishes and learn how to make them ourselves. Follow along with us as we explore the world, discover local foods, and attempt to recreate them. Come along with us to the beautiful Elba Island, or Isola d'Elba, to learn about this enchanting Italian island and cook one of the local dishes. Elba is the third largest island in Italy, after Sicily and Sardinia. Located in the Tyrrhenian Sea, it is part of the Toscana region of Italy and about 50 kilometers from Corsica. Elba is famous for being the location of Napoleon's exile in 1814, but its history goes back much further than that. It has been held by the Ligurians, the Etruscans, the Romans, and was even often attacked by pirates. Today, it is a natural island paradise for both locals and tourists. You can get to Elba by taking a ferry from Piombino to the port on the island, which is called Portoferraio. The journey takes about an hour, and you can board the ferry either on foot or with a vehicle. We're staying on the western side of the island in an area called Zanca. From here you can watch amazing sunsets over the nearby Corsica and walk to the sandy Sant'Andrea beach. We decided we wanted to try one of Elba's local dishes in our Airbnb kitchen. Cooking while traveling is something we enjoy, especially when our view is better than that of any nearby restaurant. Cooking in Airbnb kitchens is fun, but also challenging, because each one is equipped differently and you never quite know what you can expect. Thankfully, this kitchen is pretty well equipped with cooking basics, plenty of pots and pans, and a small fridge and lots of dishes and cups. Today we're going to be making Gurguglione dell'Elba, a vegetable stew that makes use of the beautiful produce of the Tuscan region. This stew was traditionally eaten by the miners of Elba who would harvest the mineral-rich land. To make this stew, you'll need local seasonal vegetables. Today we're using 1 yellow onion, 1 aubergine, 2 small zucchinis, 2 bell peppers, and a couple of tomatoes. It's also great to have some fresh basil to garnish the dish with. Begin by chopping all of your ingredients. Then, add some olive oil to a large pan on medium heat. Start by sauteing your onion and aubergine. Season them well with salt. Cook the onion and aubergine for about 5 minutes. Then add the zucchini and the peppers to the same pan. Also add a little bit more salt. After about 5 minutes, add the chopped tomatoes. We only used 2 tomatoes here, but ideally 3 to 4 would be better. Stir everything together, lower the heat, and allow to simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. While our stew is cooking, we'll introduce you to some other notable foods from Elba Island. First off, we have scratchia briacca, a traditional cake from the island, made from flour, sugar, various nuts, raisins, and the local Alatico wine. You can find these cakes in shops and bakeries all over the island. While not specific to Elba, the Ligurian region is famous for its focaccia, and you can find tons of focaccia on Elba. We were lucky to have a great bakery only a quick walk from our Airbnb, where we could stock up daily on freshly cooked focaccia. The island is also home to a number of wineries, and you can buy the local wines all over the island. It is especially known for Alatico wine, a sweet and aromatic dessert wine made from the local grapes. Back to our vegetable stew. After about 30 minutes, you should have a mixture that is cooked through, a little bit saucy from the cooked tomatoes, but not mushy. Serve the stew with some fresh basil and some bread. This is our first video, so let us know what you think in the comments. Are there other locations you'd like to see or foods you'd like us to try? Let us know.